by Prime Minister of Nepal, Pushpa Kamal Dahal, lost a vote of confidence in the country's parliament yesterday. The vote of confidence was triggered after Prachanda's main coalition partner, the Communist Party of Nepal, Unified Marxist-Leninist, withdrew its support for the government. In the 275-member of House Representatives, Prachanda received only 63 votes, while 194 members voted against him. Well, a short of 138 votes needed to win the confidence motion. The CPN-UML has now formed a new coalition with the largest party, the Nepali Congress, and its leader KP Sharma Oli is expected to become the next Prime Minister of Nepal. This is Prachanda's third term as Prime Minister, but his government has been marked by frequent changes in coalition partners. He had survived 4 previous confidence votes since assuming office in December 2022. Prathamesh on the telecast with me. Prathamesh, take our viewers through the latest developments that are coming in from Nepal. What exactly has happened?
Yes, the no confidence motion was passed in the parliament as well as the parliament was going on in Kathmandu, and after that the Prime Minister, the no confidence motion, the result was been announced in 258 parliamentarians was sitting over there in the parliament, as well as in that 63 only voted for the Prime Minister, while 194 has voted against of the Prime Minister. So no confidence from the government at least by 5 p.m. till Sunday. As per the deal, as the Congress and the CPN-UML is the 2 largest parties over there, which have 8 and 78 seats over there respectively. Over the KP Sharma Oli can be the next Prime Minister of Nepal, as well as the earlier Prem Chanda said in the parliament, he was betrayed by the UML, and that a government by the 2 largest forces in parliament was a threat of democracy. I am worried of resignation and authorization, he said over that. An alliance of 2 largest parties, fuel anarchy and the weakness of the democracy, it's been said, and it's been said that the KP Sharma Oli can be the next PM of the Nepal. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.